What's up, everybody? This is your boy, Everything Food Guy. So, I have a request from somebody named Sunny. So, she wants me to eat Raising Cane's. So, she wants me to get some chicken fingers, toast, some sauce, and I got me a drink too. So, we don't give it a look. Look at that. This was requested by Sunny. Look at that. Besides the fries, but she want me to get toast, chicken fingers. So this is my first time eating Raising Cane's. So if you guys have any new requests, just comment down below the video and let me know. So let's go ahead and try it out. So this is the Raising Cane sauce. So you wanna do that. Oh, yeah, look at that. And I think this is called chicken finger, I guess. Shoot, all right, let's give it a try. Gonna dip it. All right, let's try it out. Wait a minute. There's no bones in here. There's no bones in here. It's not real chicken. It ain't got no bones. That's weird. Alright guys, so tell me, how can a chicken finger have no bones inside? How? There is no bones inside. Like, look at this. I mean, it's alright. It's alright. Look at that. Alright, Sonny, guys. It's pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna try this toast. Alright, let's try it out. Okay. Alright. That's not bad. Look at that. It's good, guys. It's good. You gotta try. So yeah, I will eat anything you guys want. It can be bugs, maybe a peanut butter sandwich with ketchup. Just let me know and hit the follow button. Okay. Alright guys, that will be it for today. Just let me know at the bottom of the video